Hi there. Welcome to the channel. My name is Alana, and I'm the creator of the Health Analytic Insights podcast, where I interview guests and talk all things health informatics.
In this video, I'm going to go over some tips to help you get your first job in health informatics. Before I dive in, don't forget to check the description box below to download your free guide to starting your career in health informatics. So since health informatics is a fairly new field, it can be difficult to know what job titles to search for. So some examples of jobs that you can search for on Indeed or LinkedIn include clinical systems analyst, clinical decision support analyst, and a methodologist, to name a few. And once you search enough of these roles, you'll start to see consistent trends and patterns in the types of skills that these organizations are looking for. And this includes relevant clinical experience or a relevant clinical degree, experience with data visualization tools such as Power BI, Tableau, or Click. You can actually click the right of the screen where I've linked a video where I have gone through a clinical focused project where I've used Power BI to build a hospital dashboard. And this can give you a better understanding of how these data visualization tools might be used in the health informatics field. Now, another skill that's highlighted often on these job postings is experience with SQL, which stands for Structured Query Language, and is used to retrieve, manipulate, and store data from databases. And look out for a future video where I'm going to do a deep dive into how SQL is used in the health informatics field. So when it comes to getting that first entry-level job, having a network that you can rely on is truly key, especially when you're applying for those jobs and you see those titles of, yes, this is entry level, but it's still looking for 2 to 3 years of experience. So in those cases, really relying on your network is key for getting your foot in the door. It can be difficult for a new grad or someone who's transitioning from a completely different field to start building and growing their network, but here are some tips. Consider volunteering at large health informatic organizations or digital health organizations. So if you're in Canada, you can check out Digital Health Canada or CIMA, which stands for the Canadian Health Information Management Association. And in America, check out HIMSS, which stands for Healthcare Information and Management Systems Society. Also be on the lookout for Meetup, Eventbrite, or Facebook events that are related to the health informatics field. You never know who you will meet at some of these events. So when it comes to crafting your resume, it's important to match what employers have listed they're seeking for with experience you already have. So you don't want the hiring manager or HR to start making patterns or assumptions of what you have done and if it's in line with what they're looking for. So it's really key to make this very clear on your resume. Another tip is to add action verbs and quantitative descriptions to your resume. So for example, one could write, I developed a Power BI dashboard, which was viewed by the ER department and helped to reduce readmission rates by 5% in the current calendar year. Finally, I would include a cover letter with my resume, especially if you're a new grad or looking to transition into the field. So being able to explain your interest and passion for the field by expanding on projects or internships that you've done and that you've gained through your own initiative really helps to employers your interest in the field. So I hope this video has been helpful and these tips can help you moving forward in your job search. Comment down below, where are you in the job searching process? Are you in the looking stage, the interviewing stage, or do you already have a health informatics role? Don't forget to check the description box where I have a free guide to getting your first job in health informatics. Good luck, and I hope you have a wonderful day.